Millionaires don't think harder than you. They don't wake up smarter. They don't magically have more discipline. They train their mind differently. And that difference doesn't show up in motivation quotes or flashy habits. It shows up in how they react to pressure, how they interpret setbacks, how they make decisions when no one is watching. Most people never train this part of the mind. That's why they stay stuck, even when they work hard. This isn't about positive thinking. It's not about confidence tricks or affirmations. This is about mental conditioning. Two people can face the same problem. One panics, the other gets sharper. The difference isn't personality, it's training. And by the end of this video, you'll understand the exact mental frameworks millionaires use to stay calm, decisive, and ahead, even when everything feels uncertain. Imagine two people losing money on the same decision. One spirals, "I'm terrible at this, I shouldn't try again." The other pauses. "Interesting. What variable did I misjudge?" Same event, opposite trajectories. Millionaires don't experience fewer problems. They experience less emotional drag per problem. That's not talent, that's training. Here's why most people never do this. Mental training is invisible. No one applauds you for staying calm. No one rewards you for delayed reactions. No one sees the internal discipline. So people default to emotional habits. But emotions don't scale. Millionaires know if you can't control your internal state, you can't control your outcomes. Here's why most people never do this. Mental training is invisible. No one applauds you for staying calm. No one rewards you for delayed reactions. No one sees the internal discipline. So people default to emotional habits. But emotions don't scale. Millionaires know if you can't control your internal state, you can't control your outcomes. Here's the core principle. Millionaires don't train motivation. They train interpretation. And in the next section, I'll show you the first mental filter they install, the one that prevents panic and impulsive decisions. This is where most people fail. The first thing millionaires train is this. They separate facts from stories. Facts. What happened? The numbers. The constraints. Stories. This means I'm failing. I'm behind. This always happens to me. Most stress comes from stories, not facts. Millionaires pause and ask, what is objectively true right now? That question instantly lowers emotional noise and improves decision quality.
Stress isn't the enemy. Untrained stress is. Millionaires expose themselves to controlled pressure. They make uncomfortable decisions early, take responsibility before they feel ready, practice thinking under uncertainty. Over time, their nervous system recalibrates. What overwhelms others barely registers. Calm becomes their competitive advantage.
Every millionaire can point to a moment where their old way of thinking stopped working, a moment where effort alone wasn't enough, where motivation failed, where confidence cracked. Most people experience that moment and immediately pull back. They interpret discomfort as a warning. Millionaires interpret it as a signal that the mind needs to be upgraded. They don't escape pressure. They study how they behave under it. That's when real mental training begins. Here's what most people misunderstand. Millionaires are not calm because they feel safe. They're calm because they've trained state control. They know if your internal state is chaotic, every decision becomes distorted. So they practice slowing down their breathing under stress, creating distance between stimulus and response, delaying action until emotion subsides. This creates a gap. And in that gap, power lives. Most people react inside the emotion. Millionaires decide after it passes. Here's a simple cycle millionaires repeat. 1. Notice. Something triggered me. 2. Pause. No immediate action. 3. Label. This is fear, ego, impatience. 4. Reframe. What's the objective problem here? 5. Decide. Based on long-term leverage. This cycle happens fast, but it was trained slowly. Without this cycle, intelligence leaks.
People often say rich people are cold. They're not. They're regulated. They've learned that emotional volatility is one of the most expensive habits you can have. Panic destroys timing. Ego destroys clarity. Impulse destroys leverage. So they practice neutrality under pressure. Not because they don't care, but because caring too emotionally clouds judgment.
Here's how this looks in daily life. When something goes wrong, you don't vent immediately. You don't justify immediately. You don't decide immediately. You wait. You ask, what would this look like in 5 years? That question alone shrinks most problems. Millionaires train perspective the same way athletes train reflexes. Repetition under pressure. This is the real identity shift. You stop being someone who feels controlled by circumstances and become someone who operates themselves. You still feel fear. You still feel stress, but those emotions stop driving the wheel. Once that happens, confidence stops being fake. It becomes structural.
So this is how millionaires train their mind. They train calm before they train skill. They train clarity before they train speed. Because speed without clarity creates mistakes. And mistakes under pressure are expensive. Clear thinking compounds. Emotional reactions don't.
If this made you aware of your own reactions, that's the beginning of control. Subscribe if you want frameworks, not motivation. And watch the next video where I show how to train emotional discipline without becoming numb. Because wealth isn't built by intensity, it's built by controlled execution.